So in January of this year, at the end of January, I woke up one morning and I could not feel my arm. I had like electrical currents running through my arm. My thumb was so painful that, and my index finger, that I couldn't even pick anything up without dropping it. And so I was freaked out. So my doctor sent me to a neurologist, which freaked me out even more. And I was told, I could have surgery, I could do epidural shots, I could try acupuncture, there were all of these things. And I left so overwhelmed and discouraged and really not feeling like there was any hope. And so I literally start from scratch trying to figure out who can help me heal. So I came here to Thrive. I had researched them, they had good reviews, but I was still really skeptical because I think there's a stigma. I was blown away just by the entire team and the entire approach to what was going on with me. They do a full assessment from top to bottom. They're not just targeting one thing. And on top of that, they really, really care about you. The first 3 months I was coming in 3 times a week, and it was a big commitment, but I was committed to healing. Now I come in once a month, and today I'm lifting weights. I wasn't able to write before. I couldn't balance. I couldn't move my arm like this, and I'm right-handed. I couldn't ride my bike. I mean, there were just this long list of things that I couldn't do, and now I can do all of them. Yeah, so it's been great. It's really interesting when you come here. They do a full analysis. So yeah, I came in with this symptom, but I had a lot of stuff going on. They wanted to help determine, okay, how do we end up here? There are other situations where maybe you were in an accident and they're addressing that. But with me, it was like, how do we get to this place? I was a former dancer and mountain biker and skier. And almost a year prior to this, I had ruptured my ACL skiing. So it was a whole combination of things that came together that I think led to this, but they peeled away all of that so that they could address the core. So when I initially started coming, I really just wanted to figure out how to heal from this injury. In my mind, it was just like, I want to get back to the way I was before. But then I realized that there were a lot of things that contributed to how I got here. So the way I was before was not necessarily where I ended up wanting to be. I wanted to be better. And they help you here with that. They address your posture. They address your physical history, your emotional state. Because in my case, stress played a huge role in how I was holding my body, which ultimately led to neck issues and a pinched nerve and the loss of my arm. And so my why is, I don't want to go back to where I was before. I want to be better than I was before.